Hey bass clarinets, welcome back. In today's video, it's Accent Book 2, page 27. And this page, the dynamic markings, pianissimo, very soft, fortissimo, very loud. Beaming over a rest. In 6/8 time, if we can beam over beat 2 and put the rest on beat 2 or beat 5, then we're beaming over a rest. And that's an exercise that we're going to use in our very first example, Beam Me Up. And this piece is in 6/8 time. 6 on top counts per measure. 8 on the bottom means that eighth notes get 1 beat because quarter notes get 2, half notes get 4, and whole notes get 8. So let's do our Beam Me Up. I've got my metronome set at 120 for this exercise. That 120 is for the 8th note. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, ready, set, go. Let's do it again. Did you remember the second ending? 1, 2, 3, ready, beginning, go. I'm going to keep my metronome right there for the next exercise. It's The Sorcerer's Apprentice, and it's number 94. The difference in this exercise is it's in 3/8, so the measures are just half as long. We're just counting to 3 instead of 6, and that 8th note will still get 1 beat. And quarter notes will still get 2 beats, and half notes 4, and 8th notes, and yes, it's all still the same. It's just the size of the measure has changed. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, ready, set, go. How did you do? That one you may need to pause and practice, then rewind and repeat that with me. Okay? Our last exercise on the page, or next to last exercise, but it's the last one we can play, is number 95, the Country Gardens Duet. I'm going to change my metronome back to 70 for those quarter notes. And remember on this one, or take a look to remember that we will repeat the first 4 measures. So measures 1, 2, 3, 4 get played 2 times. I'll start by playing part A. You can join me or play part B. 1, 2, ready, go. And now part B. 1 and 2 and 1, 2, ready, go. In the next to last measure, we had an A flat. That note actually appeared a few other times in the piece. Did you play it correctly? I hope you did. I want to point out that that low A flat is the same as a low G sharp. 3 fingers on top, 3 fingers on bottom, and then our pinky on the top pinky key that is next to us. So on the second shelf right there, right next to our third finger. So if you need to rewind and replay that one with me with that low A flat. Our last exercise is an accent on theory, and here it wants you to draw in the correct bar lines and then write in the counting and clap this exercise. I'm going to give you a hint. I often start by writing in the counting, and by writing in the counting, every time I get to beat 6, I know I need to write my bar line. So start off by counting that quarter note with 2 beats, because it's in 6/8 time, and continue along, marking your counting, filling in your bar lines, and then at the end, clap through it once, so that you see that you've mastered that 6/8 time signature. So until I see you next time, keep counting and keep practicing.